Hello everybody, it's your girl Diti and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining us today, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first person to be notified once I drop any video. And don't forget to comment. If you have any question or any video you want me to drop, comment on any of my videos. I would see it and I would work towards it. So for today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you all how to fix too many attempts. Please try again later on Telegram. A lot of people have been asking me on the comment sections. Anytime they want to log into their account, they will be getting the notification. And too many attempts, please try again later, and they can work around it. So today I'll be teaching you all how to fix that. So first, open your Telegram account, and I'm going to put in my number now. To click on next. So once I clicked on send, I got this message. It popped up, too many attempts, please try again later. Okay, if you're having this issue with me too, I would like you to subscribe, like, share and comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So follow this video and you definitely get the solution to this message. So we're going to start now. The first thing we're going to do is go to your settings, search for Telegram. Make sure you allow all access, microphone, camera, background access, yes, serious search. Make sure that everything is, make sure you allow everything. So if you're using Android, I would advise you to go to settings, click on apps, then click on Telegram, click on permissions and allow all permissions. Click on date and time and be sure that it's on automatic. Then once you're done with that, go to Telegram and clear cache, because I think sometimes it hinders the Telegram. It makes it to not to function well. So try to clear the cache. Then once you're done, let's try again if it's going to work. We go to Telegram, put in the number again, and click on next. So as you can see, it's going now. We sent you an SMS with the code. So I'll be getting an SMS with the code on my phone, and then I'll continue. So after I went to the settings and I clicked on allow all access, I switched off my phone and put it on again. So try you doing that stuff too. Try switching off your phone and putting it on. Then if it did not work, uninstall and install Telegram, and it will definitely work for you. So as you can see, I just logged into my account, and that's it on how to fix too many attempts. Please try again later. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.